Alright guys, we out here at the Skyway. We got the 4-ounce lead, like I said, with the double swivels. And you got about 8 to 10 foot, 20-pound mono to your white spoon. Little overcast day for the white. Sunny days you want to use the silver. Showed up, why? What you gonna say? Another one? Another one? Oh no, don't go to the pylon, buddy. The proof is in the pudding. Ooh, that's a nice blow up out there. Come on. Get on that spoon, buddy. Get on the spooner dooner. There he is. Got him. He looks like just a little guy. He looks like a little guy. I mean, like I tell y'all, proof's in the pudding right there, man. Mackerel. Release that one. Another one. Come here, buddy. Here's another little, I mean, he's a little decent. So we'll keep this one. Two fish. Let's see if we can go 3 for 3. Main thing with mackerel fishing out here is finding the bait. When you find the bait, you find the mackerel. Just got to figure out how to catch it through that bait. And your main times to get mackerel: early in the morning, late in the evening, just before the sun goes down. Be your main times to catch mackerel. I mean, this time of year we got the bonita running through too. Get that white spoon. You gotta get it roaring. You get the Mackerel. You get the Mackerel. Look at that, boy. Look at that, the Mackerel. Here.
They're running deep. Got you?
Well, I don't think it got me. We got the Mackerel, buddy. White spoon, as you can see, long leading. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That shit's short. We got the Mackerel, buddy. White spoon, as you can see, long leading.